Hi friends, let's try and find the sum of digits of this puzzle. So we have 6666666 squared minus 3333333 squared. So there are 7 sixes and 7 threes, which is very big numbers. And not only that, we square both of them and we subtract them. So, what can we do to find the sum of digits without using a calculator? Well, let me remind you of a formula from high school algebra. So, remember there's a formula known as the difference of two squares, which states that if you have a squared minus b squared, that is equivalent to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So let me show you the idea behind this. Let's say we have a square b, that is a small square, and then we have a bigger square a, okay? So the whole square, that is square a. So when we take away square b from square a, what are we left with? Well, what we are left with is this L shape around b. So what is it actually? We call the side length of triangle b is just b times b, and then a times a, right? So let's draw it. So we want to find the area of this. Well, here that is just let me think. So we can think of it like this. So the side here is a, and what about this, right? This part. Well, that is just a minus b, right? Because this section is b, the whole section of that is a. So this little height of the rectangle is a minus b. And then we also figured out the height of the other rectangle is b. And then what about this width, right? Well, it is also just a minus b. So we know the whole area of the whole L shape is the sum of these two rectangles, which is just what we have: a times a minus b plus b times a minus b. Now notice there's a common factor, which is a minus b and a minus b, so we factor out the whole common factor, that is a minus b, then a plus b, right? So, and that's it. I have proven to you why this formula works. So it is time to actually apply it. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna use another color, I think. So let me write out the expression again. So we have this squared minus 3 that square. Okay, very big numbers, but no need to worry, no need to fret. We can just apply it, right? So let's say a, let's call this a, and let's call this b. So what is a plus b? Well, a plus b is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 plus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, let me write it better. And then, well, what's a minus b? Well, a minus b is just 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 minus 3, 3, 3, 3, another 3, 3, 3. Okay. So, well, 6 plus 3, that is 9. So that is just 7 ninths, okay? Huge number. Well, 6 minus 3 is just 3, so that's just another 3, 3, 3, and 3, 3, 3. So, obviously we can use a calculator, but we could have used that at the start. That would defeat the point of this puzzle. So in order to just be able to solve it with pen and paper and with our brain, we can rewrite this expression as 1001 with 7 zeros minus 1, okay? I cannot count what that is, but we can just write that as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like that, minus 1, right? That is the same. And then multiply by this. Okay. So, well, now you see it's way easier to write out the numbers because we can just multiply these two terms with this, right? So that is just 3, 3, 3, 3, and that is just, well, 7, 7 threes anyway, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then with that many zeros. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, okay? And the minus, well, itself, because it's just, just 1. So let me add the commas like that, right? Okay. So that's so far so good. I think at this point, we can just use vertical subtraction to find what this value is, and I'll tell you what it is. It's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 7. So actually here we have 7 of 3, 1 of 2, and then 6 of 6, and then 1, 7. So now that we know what the value of the expression is, well, we also know how many numbers they have. So to find out the sum of digits, that is just what we have. Well, actually, there's only 6 threes as well. So we have 6 times 3 plus 2, which is 1, 2, which is 1, 2, and plus 6 times 6, and then plus 7, right? So 6 times 3, that is 18, plus 2, and then that's 36 plus 7. So here we have 20, and then 36 plus 7, that is 43. So 20 plus 43, that is 63. So that's it. I hope you learned something new today, especially around the proof of the difference of squares formula. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.